Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Hardware meets minimum and your platform account is active. Next, locate your beta code email or key, copy it. Open the game launcher, sign in, and navigate to the Redeem or Store page. Enter the code exactly, then press Redeem or Activate. Watch for a confirmation message. Once done, allow the launcher to add the beta build to your library. Make sure download permissions and storage path are correct before you begin the download. You now manage the download and install. Choose the beta entry in your library and pick the installation folder with enough space. Start the download and, if possible, use a wired connection for stability. While downloading, open launcher settings and enable background download and file verification to avoid corruption. Once the files finish, run the launcher's integrity check. It fixes missing files automatically. If patches appear, apply them before launching, so you run the most stable beta build. You're ready to launch. Open the beta and start in a low graphics preset to confirm stability, then gradually increase settings while monitoring performance. Configure resolution, refresh rate, and input settings. Save a profile once controls feel right. If the game crashes or fails to start, verify files in the launcher, update GPU drivers, and run the launcher as administrator. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification fails, delete the beta cache folder, then re-verify and re-download.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.